now, I'm about 3.3 feet away from this. You'll see it's reading a temperature, for me, about 98.3. It fluctuates because this is all doing real time, and it's seeing the hottest spot on my head. So it regulates constantly, and it's very quick. It's all real time. So normally the way a person would use it right now, probably about 8 feet away, and it's already picking up on my temperature. And as I get closer, it becomes more accurate. And you want to be about 1 feet, 8 inches to about 3 feet, 3 inches, which is 0.5 meters to 1 meter. So right now I'm within that range. If I go a little bit closer, it might elevate a hair, but you could see I'm right in that range. So that means I'm good. So premise is, I walk up, I pause for about 2-3 seconds, and I move on. Now, if there's a temperature, I'm going to show you the settings. You have an adjustable range and a volume. So you're going to hear a beep when it goes off. So one of the common questions, can you turn it off or control the level? Yes, you can. There's a volume control for that. Okay. Also, the secondary monitor, these all have HDMI outputs on it. So the secondary monitor can control the volume independently of this unit, which will turn off. And then that way you can also deal with it accordingly as well. So we do have remote viewing of what is going on here. So to simulate 101 degree fever, about 101.6, I'm going to actually drop this down to about 95.6. That will create the difference, since obviously I do not have a fever right now. So I can show you what's going to happen. So here I am. I'm going to go back to about almost 8 feet again. And as I start to approach it, you could see it already detected me, even with it not being as accurate as it could. And as I get closer, it's just going to start to read me at the same temperature as it did before. The only difference now is it's triggering because of what it saw. So as you can see, it is very fast. You come up, you're elevated, you have a temperature. If you have the React engine in here, the integrator can customize the experience. So we will be able to resize or remove these windows, make this smaller, put advertisement up on here. So we will have a digital signage capability feature as well that will hook itself into the React. If there is a flag, you will be able to screen capture the image with the data. So this way you have it on record, what happened at what time, at what date. So you can do that with this as well. There will be a time-lapse function, a streaming function, the ability to serve up custom web pages. So one panel can actually go and grab 20 or 100 other panels' information, store it into one web page that you can customize and see the data on. So it's very customizable, and you don't have to rely on Aurora for any of that information.
And that's what Aurora did. They put all of these pieces together. This advanced functionality that Paul's talking about now is really the value add of these components in with Aurora Multimedia. So as he's describing and walking you through all these different processes of how where this information may go, it all depends on the use case that it might be going into.